Okay, Sharon, I'm going to show you how you can change up the way your Google Class looks. So this is just a practice PD class that I did, I don't know, sometime. And you can see right here that in the class stream, I have two assignments, or if I go to classwork, I have two assignments. Now, I hit that button, and you know my Wi-Fi is slow, so we're going to sit here and wait for it. But you can actually, when you create an assignment, choose where it goes. So what I want to do is show you that now. So you can see that when I created these assignments, I created a module 1 and module 2. So if you wanted to do it by unit, you could do that. We're still waiting for my assignments to come up because my internet is that slow. All right, so I'm going to hit module 1 just to see if that will come up. Yeah, you see that? That's my internet. This is how slow my internet is. All right, so anyway, here's the first assignment. You see module 1 here. So let's just say I wanted to change that from module 1 to unit. I could just hit, because I've already created it, I could just change this to unit 1. How to create topics. All right, and hit rename. So that's going to change that there. Again, my internet is just being slow, so as soon as it changes it, there we go. Now what I want to do is show you that right now these two are under that unit 1, but let's say this assignment, which I've already created, I could go back in here, hit these 3 dots, and then hit edit, and then over here to the side is where I'm going to make the changes. So right here where it says topic, I could go down here, and if I did no topic, it wouldn't be under anything, but I could create another topic, and I could call this Unit 2, creating a new topic. And then I hit save. And again, we're going to wait. Don't you like the fact that I don't hit the pause button? I just make you sit here and wait with me. This is the struggle of living in the boondocks. All right, so we see unit 1 and unit 2. Now this right here is what is aggravating, because if you don't pay attention, it puts it in the wrong order. I was trying to see if you could pull it and change it. Let's try and go here. Let's say I've got this module 2 down here, and I'm going to delete that so it just goes away, because I just, want you to wait longer with me. So I can drag this out, so that way it's more time on your log sheet and mine of professional learning. And now I see that I didn't put a space there, so that bothers me. So I got to rename it and put a space right there. So then we're going to wait on that. Oh, and now I'm seeing another thing. I used a semicolon here and a dash there. That's aggravating too. How do you feel about that? I really like everything to be the same, but maybe that doesn't bother you. There's probably some students that would call you out on it. We could probably name them if we wanted to, but we won't. We'll just sit here and wait for the internet again. If you hear that noise in the background, apparently David got the weed eater working, so that's always good. All right, so the last thing I was really waiting to see is if we can move the units around. So I thought, let's see, yeah, so you can click it and drag it. So if you go back to your stream, I was thinking it would put it in there by unit, but maybe it doesn't. Maybe it just lists it there. But then if we go back to classwork, it's by unit. Let's go back to stream. And if we were going to type something, Okay, maybe it's not going to let me type. Okay, I don't know what that is about. I was really going to try and type something else and see if we could do something here. So it may be that over in the Classroim, there aren't titles. It's only in your classwork, in your assignments, where you can divide it up. I hope that helps. That's about all I got until you ask me another question. All right, so that was a good 5 minutes, and by the time you watch it and figure out how to do it, that's 30 minutes. So I'm going to put that down as well. All right, have a good night.